YouTube. Well, got a problem with the 99 Tahoe today. We ain't starting. We in a better halves car today. But working on the personal shit. Service truck down my brother's house. I'm driving that. But anyway, got this here distributor cap focus. It's been raining like shit up here. If y'all don't know, in the Washington D.C., actually in D.C., and hurricanes down in North Carolina, so it's been raining like shit up here for the last week. And I just got back from vacation, so I come back and the truck ain't starting, so we can't have that. Well, anyway, a guy on YouTube told me one time that I had been having this problem ever since I had the truck. Every time it rains real hard, if I don't go out and start it, at least run it for a little bit, then it won't. It'll just crank until it dries out. Nice day comes, the sun comes out, it's done. Start right up like no problem. Anyway, it's got 220,000 on it. I'll put maybe 2 distributor caps on it since I had it. I don't go by the service interval. I just change these joints. But anyway, you look at the inside, it's all messed up, and I think all those white marks are basically where, arc spray has been, the residue from it arcing so bad. And then, y'all can't really see it, but at the bottom of the points, they are, it's like some little cracks around there. So I don't know if that's actually a problem, but it looks like something that I want to chase. So this thing doesn't cost that much. It's like, I think like $40. So I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna get back with y'all, shoot the video of me put the shit on, and see if it cranks up. It'll probably crank up then after that, no problem. Oh yeah, but back to the guy that told me on YouTube I had to come back. I look up his name, and he was talking about drilling holes in the bottom of the distributor, and I did that, and I had no problems for like maybe a year or maybe a year and a half or so. Rain like shit, no problem. And then all of a sudden it's been showing its ass off this year. So I think since then I hadn't did anything. I hadn't changed the spark plugs, the wires in it. We've been road tripping, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this distributor cap actually on the way to AutoZone. So get back with you next video.